everyone! Welcome back to our channel. You've come to the right spot if you're looking for ideas for designing and decorating your home. This video will offer a variety of imaginative and motivational suggestions for enhancing the coziness, style, and personality of your home. In order to avoid missing any more intriguing ideas, make sure you watch through to the end and remember to subscribe. Let's begin.
In a tiny bedroom where space is a luxury, creativity becomes your best tool. Imagine a bed frame with no room for a traditional headboard, so instead, you paint one directly onto the wall. A bold color or a soft, textured hue instantly sets the mood. But why stop there? Using simple 2x4s, you can add depth, a touch of pattern, and a tactile element that brings warmth to the space. Extend the design all the way to the ceiling, drawing the eye upward, making the room feel taller and more open. With just a little paint and a few wooden accents, your small space transforms into a stylish, cozy retreat. A neutral color palette in the bedroom doesn't have to mean boring. The key? Layering contrasting patterns, textures, and materials to create depth and interest. Picture this, a soft yet bold chevron pattern on the wall, adding a calming but striking backdrop. Against it, a woven leather headboard introduces warmth and texture, while a rustic wood nightstand brings in natural charm. Beneath it all, a plush white area rug ties the space together, offering comfort underfoot. With just the right mix of elements, a neutral bedroom transforms into a cozy, stylish retreat, proof that subtle tones can make a big impact. Who says a headboard has to take up space? In a small bedroom, a geometric mural painted right above the bed is a clever, space-saving alternative. It's not just practical, it's a fun and creative way to bring personality to your walls. Bold angles, soft curves, or an abstract design. Whatever you choose, the mix of color and pattern adds instant style. Whether you go for calming neutrals or eye-catching hues, this simple trick transforms your space, making it feel bigger, brighter, and uniquely yours. A painted mural, an artistic statement with no extra footprint. two-tone design can give traditional picture molding a fresh, modern edge. In this bedroom, a deep blue on the lower walls creates a sense of grounding and depth, while crisp white above draws the eye upward, making the space feel more open. At the center, a striking white and gold mid-century modern light fixture adds a touch of elegance. Tying it all together, a floral painting blends the rich blue, soft white, and the dusty pink hues from the bedding, creating a cohesive, stylish retreat. Classic meets contemporary in the perfect balance of color and design. Geometric wall paneling is a stylish way to create a bold focal point in any bedroom. In this playful space, it serves double duty as both a headboard and wall decor, making it a budget-friendly choice for a fresh new look. The mid-tone teal wall brings just the right amount of depth, beautifully complementing the soft pastel bedding and lighting. Against it, crisp white furniture and warm wood floors stand out, creating a perfect balance of color and texture. The result? A space that feels modern, inviting, and effortlessly unique. Blue and white, timeless, classic, and always fresh. This color combination brings a sense of tranquility to any bedroom. But when using a bold, small-scale blue and white patterned wallpaper, balance is key. To keep the space from feeling too busy, opt for a solid colored headboard in one of the wallpaper's shades. This simple trick creates continuity, allowing the pattern to shine without overwhelming the room. The result? A bedroom that feels cohesive, stylish, and effortlessly serene. Proof that classic colors never go out of style. Bring instant character to a bedroom with a stunning stone accent wall. The natural texture and earthy tones add a sense of history and charm, making the space feel both cozy and timeless. To enhance the warmth, pair it with rich hardwood floors, creating a foundation that feels grounded and inviting. Then, keep the look fresh and modern with crisp white walls, allowing the stone to take center stage. The result? A perfect blend of rustic elegance and contemporary style, where old-world charm meets modern-day comfort. Transform your bedroom into a rustic retreat with a wide wood plank accent wall. The organic texture and rich grain of the wood instantly add warmth and character. Placing the planks horizontally not only enhances the natural charm, but also makes the space feel larger and more open. To soften the structured lines, layer in ruffled bedding, curved furniture, and an irregular-shaped cowhide rug for a cozy, inviting touch. The mix of textures creates a perfect balance, where rustic meets refined and comfort feels effortless. Create a bold, tonal look with blue paneling that wraps the walls and ceiling in rich color. In this attic bedroom, darker blue trim adds depth and definition, giving the space a refined, cohesive feel. To keep the look fresh and modern, pops of yellow, white, gray, and navy come into play through sleek furniture, contemporary artwork, and cozy bedding. The result? A perfectly balanced space that feels both intimate and stylish, where deep, moody hues meet vibrant, modern accents for a truly unique retreat. Bring modern farmhouse charm to your bedroom with a classic white shiplap accent wall. The horizontal planks add subtle texture and pattern while keeping the space light, bright, and open. Sticking to a neutral color scheme enhances the airy feel, making the room feel both cozy and spacious. To let the shiplap truly shine, keep wall decor minimal. Perhaps a single vintage-inspired piece above the bed for just the right touch of character. The result? A beautifully simple yet stylish retreat that feels timeless, fresh, and effortlessly inviting.